अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं आपसे शेयर करने जा रही हूँ पास्ट पेपर्स के वो क्वेश्चंस जो कि चैप्टर नंबर 15 होम्योस्टेसिस से आए हैं। सबसे पहले MCQs। एक्सक्रीटरी प्रोडक्ट दैट रिक्वायर्स मिनिमम लॉस ऑफ वाटर फॉर इट्स रिमूवल इज यूरिक एसिड। ब्रासिका इज मेसोफाइट प्लांट। मेजर hemostatic function of liver is storage of iron. Bat do not regulate their body temperature in narrow range is hectotherm. Fishes retain which of the following chemical to be protected against urea? Trimethylamine oxide. Glomerulus circulates blood through capsule as it arrives through the afferent arterioles. Uric acid is produced from the nucleic acid. The structural and functional relationship between the excretory and nutritive system is present in insects. Which part of brain monitor body temperature is hypothalamus? Which one is a plant of desert? Cactus. Which of the following is a hectotherm? Bat. Incidence of uric acid stone is 10%. A dilute solution compared to cell concentration is termed as hypotonic. Number of ammonia molecules required to produce one molecule of urea is 2. A network of closed tubules without internal opening is protonephridium. These have adaptations for reduced rate of transpiration. Xerophytes. 1 gram of ammonia nitrogen requires how much water for excretion? 500 ml. Which organ is central station for metabolism? Liver. The incidence of calcium oxalate type stone of kidney is 70%. The incidence of calcium phosphate stone in kidney is 15%. Which of the following part of the plant is excretophore? Leaves. Reptiles are included in ectotherm. Metabolism of purine and pyrimidines produces significant amount of xanthine. Animals excreting ammonia are called ammonotelic. Earthworms have tubular excretory structure called metanephridia. Urine leaves the kidney through the duct called ureter. Contractile vacuoles are found in freshwater protozoa. Which one of the following structures of kidney is involved in the production of concentrated urine? Diastematic nephron. The body temperature regulation in human is based on complex homeostatic thermostat present in the hypothalamus. Hemodialysis means clearing the blood. In diastematic nephrons, additional capillaries extend down to form a vasorector. Next आ जाता है short questions. Define anhydrobiosis with an example. Define homeostasis. Give its importance. Differentiate between the ectotherm and endotherm. Differentiate between the hypertonic and hypotonic environment. Differentiate between the hypotonic and hypertonic solution. Differentiate between the osmoconformers and osmoregulators. Differentiate between the osmoregulation and thermoregulation. Differentiate between the ureter and urethra. Differentiate between the xerophyte and mesophyte plants. Distinguish between the protonephridia and metanephridia. What are flame cells? Give their roles. Explain about the dialysis. Explain pyrexia. Explain the process of panting with example. Explain the role of contractile vacuole. Explain the term homeostasis. Give the structure formula of urea and uric acid. How peritoneal dialysis is done. How most plants have adapted to survive in heat stress. Illustrate the function of Malpighian tubules. What are osmoregulators? What are polycotherms? Give an example. What are the differences between the ammonotelic and urotelic animals? What is ADH? How does it functions? What is hemodialysis? Give its importance. What role do hormones play in human kidney? What technique are used to remove kidney stones? What is extracorporeal shock? Lithotripsy. Why leaves are said to be excretophores? What are pyrogens? Give their functions. What are hydrophytes? What are their important adaptations? Give 4 adaptations of xerophyte plants. Differentiate between the shivering and non-shivering thermogenesis. Define endotherm and hectotherms. What are heat shock proteins? What is hypertonic environment? And what changes occur in a cell in such environment? Differentiate between the afferent and efferent arterioles. What is countercurrent multipliers? Next आ जाता है state renal failure. इसके बाद आ जाते हैं लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस. एक्सप्लेन द ऑस्मोरेगुलेशन इन मेराइन एनिमल्स, एक्सप्लेन ऑस्मोरेगुलेशन इन फ्रेश वाटर एनिमल्स, एक्सप्लेन थर्मोरेगुलेशन इन मैमल्स, डिस्क्राइब द स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन ऑफ यूरिनरी सिस्टम with special reference to nephron, describe the osmoregulation in terrestrial environment, describe various kidney problems and their cures, discuss the nature of excretory products in animals to various habitat and specifically associated with water availability. What is excretion? How does plant excrete their waste? Discuss excretion in plain area. Discuss excretion in cockroach. Give 4 major homeostatic functions of liver. उम्मीद है ये आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगा. थैंक यू.